Historically, cotton was grown on most of the acres that corn has now replaced cotton with, and cotton needs very little zinc fertilization, whereas corn is a heavy zinc user and requires at least 2.5 pounds to complete its life cycle. So over the course of the last 15 years that we've been growing corn on soils with limited history of zinc fertilization, we're starting to draw down our soil test zinc. So the specific project I'm working on is addressing this on 3 fronts. One, we're recorrelating and calibrating our soil test values to get a critical level to determine when or when not to apply zinc fertilization. The second one is looking at zinc delivery systems to know what best method to apply zinc to these corn crops, whether it be in furrow, foliar, or granular applied products. With the third being, if we do choose a foliar product and have to make an in-season application, many products have the propensity to burn corn foliage. So we're trying to separate those products out and see if that foliage burning is cosmetic or if it's going to limit yields. What I would say, if we're going to apply zinc to soils in Mississippi for corn production, if we want to build soil test zinc, the only way to build soil test zinc is through granular application of a zinc sulfate type fertilizer. That is the only method that will build soil test zinc. So you're putting out anywhere between 7.5 and 10 pounds. General recommendations are around 10 pounds because we need that to get proper distribution in the field. And zinc is a very heavy metal and it takes very little bit of fertilizer to spread over an acre. So 7.5 to 10 pounds to build soil test zinc. If you're not worried about building your soil test zinc, the in-furrow application of 1 pound or 1/2 to 1 pound of zinc at planting, followed by a foliar application if needed based on visual evidence of zinc deficiency, has worked out very well. The ultimate benefit, if soil test zinc level is somewhere around 2 parts per million or 4 pounds per acre zinc in the soil, we're seeing a 70% chance of a 10 to 12 bushel yield response when we apply zinc applications, even when we are not seeing visual zinc deficiency symptoms. The benefit for the farmer is, for those farmers who are growing corn on old cotton soils and have not fertilized with zinc, may be losing yield and do not know it. In most of our correlation calibration trials, we have not observed a visual zinc deficiency symptom. Yet we're averaging 12 bushels more corn when we apply zinc than when we do not.